Hi guys, welcome to Guaranty RV on this rainy day here in Oregon. I'm going to show you this White Hawk right here. It's actually a 2017 23 MB. It is another Murphy bed unit. This is a pre-owned unit. It's not very big as far as size-wise, but it's actually a pretty cool unit. It's a White Hawk, so it's Jayco's higher line of product. We'll go ahead and walk around the outside a little bit. Power tongue jack, dual propane tanks, battery storage, nice little load light up here on the front to help you out. Little storage on either side. You got the Murphy bed that kind of takes up some of that storage, so you just have little spots. So also, as you move your way around the unit, you're gonna have storage space. Storage underneath the dinette. And this guy has these bins, I don't know if you can see that well enough, bins that kind of come out inside under the booth dinette. Just more storage. We like storage. Outdoor shower, hot and cold. Manual stabilization jacks around the unit. And I'll show you something that's pretty cool about this unit. It being a rear bath model, has this great little outdoor kitchen area. Now anything without a bunkhouse doesn't have an outdoor kitchen area, but this does. So, you got the sink, you got an outdoor stove, little cooktop area, storage. You can throw all kinds of stuff up in there, and a little mini fridge that operates off of 110. So if you didn't want that there, you could pull it out in your storage spot there. Put a nice little storage area inside. I'll also show you, it comes with an extra table, a little plastic, like a Costco type table you can put out here. So you have a little extra seating area to hang out at. Power awning all the way across the unit, outdoor speakers, the new style frameless windows. Those are pretty nice. Let's make our way inside real quick. So as you make your way inside this unit, you can see you have the couch, which is what I was saying earlier, it's a Murphy bed model. So this is actually the bed tucked up in here, which is pretty cool. You have two little spots on either side, unclip those. Drop down the couch is a jackknife sofa, just lift the front, flops right down. Bed. And you have your bed. So now you have your bed for the evening. You have a privacy curtain to run across here. Either way, that's just for sleeping for the evening, just for a couple people. You do have extra sleeping in this big booth dinette here with a freestanding table, which I kind of like. I'm a big guy. That way you can kind of get in inside either way and kind of kick a little over either side you need to. The pillows to the bed. As we make our way around here, let's go this way. Fridge, decent sized fridge. It being a White Hawk is going to have the larger fridge for you. Now, this bathroom, let's check this out. This bathroom has a ginormous storage area. I think there's an echo in there, just how big that storage area is. Closet, hang stuff, drawers, lots of storage. Again, I know I talk about storage a lot in most of my videos, but I like it. I like stuff. Huge pantry, huge other extra storage area there. This is that table I was talking about too, between these, the storage spot for it. So you can take that out and throw it outside, and it works out well. Anyhow, decent counter space. It's all here. It's got all you need. It's a great little trailer, heater, AC, everything. Big nice skylight up above us here for light. Anyhow, come see us out here at Guaranty in Junction City, Oregon. My name is Captain Kirk.Blair. I'm happy to help. My cell phone is 541-601-8742, and I'm available. Thanks a lot.